The arrival of the Redmi Note 15 Ultra 5G is expected, a smartphone that should bring a lot of sensation to the Indian market. With the completion of the Redmi 14 series, the community is excessively enthusiastic about the specifications as well as the cost of this new model. Stunning display. The Redmi Note 15 Ultra 5G comes with a stunning 67 inches Super AMOLED as a screen display. This phone's screen has a refresh rate of 144 Hz and an interactive resolution of 1280 x 3200 pixels for an artistic picture. This is because it features a bezel-less design and a punch-hole display to cut on its sleekness. Impressive battery life. The most evident highlight from Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Ultra 5G Pack, 6700 mAh beefy battery to support the day-to-day use. One particular battery is exceptionally powerful and recharged with the supplied 220 WW charger for a full charge in 35 minutes. Advanced camera capabilities. For the photography's sake, fans of photography will find the camera details of the Redmi Note 15 Ultra 5G interesting. On the backside of the device, there is a 200 MP main sensor accompanied with 50 MP ultra-wide and a 5 MP depth sensor. Speaking of the front camera, the phone has a 64 MP sensor there, as good for taking selfies and making video calls. For instance, users can record a video in 4K UHD, and this smartphone has a magnification capacity of up to 60x, which will make your shots extremely detailed for flexible RAM and storage configurations. To make it easier for users to meet their needs and abilities, the Redmi Note 15 Ultra 5G will come in 3 different versions. There are 3 memory configurations to choose from: 8GB RAM with 128GB internal storage, 12GB RAM with 256GB internal storage, and a powerful 16GB RAM with 512GB internal storage. 5. Launch timeline and pricing. It has been projected that the Redmi Note 15 Ultra 5G will start at Rs 24,999 and go up to Rs 30,999. But with promotional offers, the prices could come down all the way to the bracket of Rs 28,999 to Rs 29,099. But there is also the choice of an EMI plan starting at Rs 9,000. Although some of these details are not confirmed following the discharge of the 5th era, the phone is however predicted to be launched in February-March 2025. Subscribe now my YouTube channel, more info, so thank you.